Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the IR LED board ZIF connector and disconnect the IR LED board ribbon cable from the system board. Carefully separate the IR LED board from the adhesive on the camera frame and remove. Replacement. Insert the IR LED board ribbon cable into the IR LED board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Place the IR LED board into position on the camera frame and gently apply pressure to adhere it into place.